Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to crop your photos in Lightroom. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. First thing first, let's tap into the app itself, Lightroom, and let's choose any of the photo you'd like. Okay, let's say I'm going to choose this one over here. So what you're going to do right now is you go to the very bottom of the screen. You can see various options like first, second. So in this option right here, let's click in there, that, and it says crop and geometry, and all you have to do is you can customize it yourself. So for example, you want to crop it from here, just hold it on the side, or even this one, and you can adjust it. So let's say I'm just gonna crop out this big building over here. I only want this one building. Then once you're okay with it, you can simply tap in that tick button, correct one, at the bottom right corner, and you're done. Now you can save it, and that's it for today's video. This is how you crop your photos. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I would really appreciate that. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.